don't know who needs to hear this, but relationships are just like bank. The way you invest sufficiently in the bank before you look for any withdrawals, in the same way, we have to invest in our relationships. We have to give love, trust, respect, empathy, and intention. When we make these 5 investments in any relationship, we will be able to sufficiently get withdrawals after some time. Always remember, love is more than just a feeling. It's a conscious choice that we are making every single day to make that relationship happy and thriving. I want you to remember, now this relationship can be with your own self, with your parents, with your spouse or partner, with your children or your friend. But you need to invest these 5 things in the relationship before you look for any withdrawal. Happy Valentine's Day to all and happy Basant Panchami to you all.